Well, there are a few things that every man ought to be able to do, and that is fix a flat tire. Now, if you're on the side of the road, you need one of these kits, and I'll put a link in the description here. That way you don't have to go looking for one. But one of the things you got to do is be able to fix a flat tire on the side of the road. And the first thing you need is one of these deluxe tire plug kits. Very simple. Come with everything you need. And again, I'll put a link in the description. That way you can go ahead and grab one of those. But the first thing you're going to do is grab this reaming tool and to make sure you got the perfect size hole to work with. Now, as you notice, I had a screw in here, and I got that out. And, of course, you got to get that out first. But get this reamer tool in here and get it nice and clean. Spend a few minutes, make sure it's got a nice, perfect round hole. Grab one of these strings here, and we'll get this other tool. It should come with two tools, a reaming tool and this other T-tool. And both of these have what they call a pistol grip, which just sounds really cool. And then you get some of this bonding agent here, which you'll like to definitely want that on there to help bond to the actual tire and help keep it from coming back out. But put some of that on there. Make sure you put plenty on there. Don't be too shy. Put that thing in there. The key is make sure you get all the way in with just about an inch or two sticking out. And then here's the key thing. Pull it out really fast. That simple. And you'll have a little bit of nub of stuff here. And that's where you get some of these dikes here. Click it 3 times. Make sure they work. And make sure you cut this. Nice flush there. Then what you're going to do is get about one of these tools. Now, if you don't have one of these, you need one of these in your car. Highly recommend get one of these. There's many different ones. I'll put a link in the description because I just like to find the cheapest, best reviewed one. And I just took the time to do that for you. But I got one of these. Put this together here. It's actually the first time I used this one. Carried around for a while. So I'm glad I finally get to use it. See how well it works. Real simple concept. You just plug this into your car here. A little 12-volt outlet. Make that plugged in. Take your plug off your tire here. And once that plug is off the tire, then set it to your desired PSI, which for this tire specifically, it is 35 pounds. And so I just let that air up, and boom, it took less than 5 minutes to do. Now I have a flat tire fix. And this is not a permanent fix, but allows you to drive to the repair shop.